Alright, hey guys, what is up? Today, I'm doing an unboxing video. Now, I've never done an unboxing video before, and I apologize. I can't see what I'm doing up on the camera. But, I bid on and won, quite happily, this box. Jairus of all. On the top here, I already cut off the shipping label because I'm not dumb enough to leave my info up there. Now this is a custom-made pen that he did and auctioned off. And I do not have to say how much money I spent on it, but definitely going to be worth it. I'm excited to see what's inside. Jairus, I'm sorry that I have to cut through your face to get into here. God, I hope everything is in focus because I cannot film this twice. Again, I don't have a preview monitor, so I'm just kind of going in here blind. It's not cut towards my own hand. Alright. And it's probably glued, isn't it? Oh, yeah, it's glued. Alright, let's just cut everything. Why not? I will find a way into this box. Oh, here we go. I was hoping to save some of Jairus' faces, but let's get in here. Oh, there we go. That's right. Little packy slip thing. Oh, there we go. That was where I was supposed to open. Alright, let's make sure you guys can see that. Certificate of authenticity. Very nice. Bring her up here. Ooh, that's official looking right there. There you go. You guys can steal his signature and have fun with that. Alright. Oh, good. He's got some faces that I didn't cut open. So I know where I'm going to stick at least one or two of these. I got a bar cart that I stick things on. So let's bring some Jairuses up here for y'all. Ooh. Focus. Alright, we've all seen his logo before. I definitely just kicked the tripod. A little business card. I'll keep that in my wallet. I probably should put this back in focus so you guys can see what I'm doing. Good enough. Alright, let's try to just pull out some of the side blocks. Yeah, much easier. Ooh. Now before I get to the big guy here, I just want to make sure there's nothing else hiding in the bottom. Nope. We got an empty box. Just try and get this foam out of the way. I'll throw this box to the cat. Cats love boxes. Alright. Kind of reflective. Whatever. Let's, ooh, alright. He made that super easy to open. Plastic out of the way. And, well, it's pretty far away looking. Let me bring it up to you guys to open for the first time. Dancing around the tripod here. Jairus of Jairus. Damn. Jairus of all, master of none. Cool. Ooh. There she is. Look at that. Damn. Yo. Alright. The box. Very much appreciated. We all saw this in his video, I think, right? But that's a nice box. Put that in the background. But here she is. I never really thought that I was going to get anything off one of these YouTube channels. But that's as close as I can get with this lens. Hey guys. Hello, you can see me in there. Damn. Woo! So pretty. Yeah, guys. There she is. The Jairus of all. Brass nut pen. I've got his channel up on my screen here. There he is. There's the guy. So yeah, there you have it. I don't know if I'm supposed to like test it. I kind of don't. I kind of want to save it, you know. Maybe I'll sign my lease or mortgage or something with that. But for now, it's gonna go back into its box. Thank you guys for watching, Jairus. Thank you for sending it. We had some issue with the post because I'm not in America and shipping things internationally can always be a pain. But thank you for being accommodating. Thank you for getting it up to me. Super excited to find something to use it for. But for now, it's just gonna tuck up under my monitor and just probably sit right there where I can cherish it. Alright, thank you. See you guys in another video.